Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can make your computer on Windows 10 working more faster and delete all unnecessary files such as temporary files or installed files that weren't deleted from your computer and make your computer work more slower. So for doing this you just need to click Win and A. After doing this you just go to your computer and here on your disk click right on mouse and click Settings, and here you choose Clean. After you click here, just wait some time after it will be loaded. And sorry for language, because I can't change language on this computer, that's why it is not on English language. So here you click on all files that you see. Here you can see temporary files, bin, downloads, files about reports, temporary files from internet, and others. So you just need to click OK and delete files. So after doing this, just wait some time after it will be deleted all unnecessary files from your computer, and that's all. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.